Hi, welcome back to another video. This time, after a long time, I will be doing a study vlog, but instead of doing like graphic design things, I will be doing Korean things, Korean language things. Basically, I haven't been able to study Korean for like already 8 months. The last time I actually studied was when I was in India in my India trip, and that was like already 8-9 months ago. So today I decided that I will be getting back to studying Korean and actually being consistent and learning advanced Korean, because I've been watching K-dramas the past months, and to be honest, I've been understanding most of it without subtitles, which is quite surprising. The only thing that I'm struggling with is speaking the language. I mean, I did practice the past months talking to myself, but I feel like the pronunciation is so bad, to be honest. And also I want to focus on writing in Korean, because I really do struggle in reading. I literally read one word in 2 minutes. Like, it takes me too long to be able to read Korean. So today I will be starting out once again with Korean, and my plan is to have like 1 hour per day, and I have like 1 day free per week. Basically, that is my plan for rest of 2024. We'll see how it goes. So honestly, I don't really have anything planned. And what should I do to get started? If you didn't know, I use these books to learn Korean. It's the integrated Korean normal one and the workbook one. This one is more for writing. This one is for more of, learning orally and all that. But the thing is, I have noticed that going through the book, there is actually CD or like a recording of some type needs to be used while like completing these books. I haven't been able to find CDs and those recordings, so I've been literally doing everything without the recording, which is really working out. So I also want to start on the internet source to learn Korean. I have some YouTubers I used to watch before, so I will be using that. I will, get back to it. Like, I need to learn the alphabet. I will be learning the alphabet today, and some basic things, basic words to, recall some basic vocabulary. So yeah, let's just get into it.
To read Hangul, the Korean alphabet.
Okay, so it's been 40 minutes already, and I've been, learning the alphabet and to see if I remember correctly every single consonant and vocal. I will attach the video I watched, which is really good, to be honest, for the pronunciation and everything. I still struggle with some vocals, which are the way we vocals, which are quite difficult to memorize which one is which, but I have to practice that. I also learned the patim rule of, the pronunciation when the consonant is like down on the syllable, which I didn't know before. No, I just learn something new every single day when I'm learning Korean, and I just feel like I missed writing in Korean. Like, I feel like it's so fun writing in Korean. See this? My handwriting is not really good in Korean, but like, it feels so nice to be able to write and read in Korean. Right now I only have like 15 minutes left because I have to go to fetch up my brother right now. So I will be having like a little game which I do some random Korean word generator and I have to guess what is the meaning, and it is quite helpful. If you watch K-dramas, it will be more easy because you get used to their language when watching like videos, K-dramas and reality shows. So you get used to their language and you just, without the subtitles, understand. I do recommend playing this little game of having a random generator word and then guessing what is the meaning, and if you don't know it, just write it down on your copybook or whatever you use to write and learn your Korean. Also, I do recommend, I did this like last year I think. I have this flashcards. These are the verbs thingy. I have the words here and then the meaning here. I do recommend because it's nice to remember what is what word. Right now I will be doing the Korean random generator, and then that's all I think for now. If you want any more tips, let me know in the comment section below. Let's go to do this little game of random generator words. Machi, mochi, tape, date. Okay, so my 1 hour finished. It's passed. The time passed so fast, to be honest. Still have to practice a lot. I want to, be consistent this time. I do recommend being consistent because when I was consistent last year, I did learn more than I did in like 2 years without being consistent. Anyways, this is all for the video. Don't forget to check out the description below that I will be attaching some resources for you to learn Korean. I'm not a professional yet, I'm still learning, but I will recommend some things that I will be using to learn Korean. And I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it gave you motivation. If you haven't started learning Korean yet, I recommend to do it. It's really fun. It can be stressful sometimes, but it's really fun. I do recommend it, and I hope it goes well for you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye. 안녕.